What is up guys, thanks for watching yet another video. If it's your first time on the channel, my name is Etienne and I'm the owner of Creative Car Detailing. As you can see behind me, we've got this beautiful Suzuki GSXR that I detailed over the last 2 days, and I wanted to show you guys the whole process from the bike came in up to where it's sitting at the moment. I think it looks absolutely stunning right now, but I'm going to talk you over what we all did to this. So yesterday, before we started detailing, or actually before we started washing the bike to start detailing, I started off with cleaning the chain. The chain was extremely filthy. It was full of gunked up oil or chain lube, whatever you guys want to call it. So I start off by cleaning the chain, and that splattered onto the wheels and all that stuff. So once the chain was cleaned, I started cleaning the wheels with a wheel cleaner and a tar remover. Once that was clean, next up we washed the bike. So that consisted of, I foamed it up and then I agitated all the areas with a small brush, all the small nooks and crannies that you can see. I did all that with a small brush, followed by a rinse to make sure it's all clean, and then I foamed it up again, hand washed, rinsed it down again, and then we dried the bike. So when it came time to drying, we blew it off with a blower, and then after that we finally dried it by hand. So once the bike was washed up and dried, the next step for us was to figure out what polish and pad combo we were going to use. Majority of the correction was done using my Rupes iBrid Nano polisher, which is either a 1-inch or 2-inch backing plate. I've only worked with a 2-inch backing plate, and we did the test spots I did some on the white, and then some on the blue, and then some on the tank, which it might be a plastic cover, but it feels a lot harder for me than the other plastic stuff. So once we did the test spots and dialed in what pad and polish combo we were going to use, I started polishing. After polishing the entire bike, I wiped all the oils off the surface using an IPA wipe, IPA and a microfiber to wipe it off, and then we applied one layer of Geon can coat, so that would ensure easy cleaning in the future. If there's any bugs stuck in the front, the client would be able to remove them very easily, I would say. After the can coat, the next step we did was the leather. This is not real leather. But I still use the Geon system, so we use the leather cleaner followed by a leather conditioner from Geon to make sure that they are in the best condition possible. And since it's a bike and not a car, a car's leather is under roof where it doesn't get that much exposure. These get a lot more exposure through the sun, so the Geon system will keep it looking fresh for a long time. After the leather was treated, the next step was for me to clean all the nooks and crannies. So that would be around all the bolts, all the tight spots in there. As you can see, there's a lot of them on a bike. So one method that I do like to use, if you guys want to know what I do, I use an earbud. I pull the end of the earbud off and then I spray it with IPA, and then I use the earbud to clean it. That's the easiest way for me to do it. I actually pulled a lot of dirt off. You can still see it stained. I don't think it'll ever be perfect again because it sat for such a long time, but I got a lot of dirt out of there with the IPA and the earbud. So that's definitely a very, very useful trick that you can use when you're detailing. When you do cars, I do it in between the badges, in between all the panels, all that type of stuff. So very handy trick you guys can use there. The last step was the helmet. Obviously I couldn't let this bike go without treating the helmet as well. The helmet got to clean, it was very filthy. Cleaned that up. I did polish it, almost forgot about that. So I cleaned it up, polished it up a bit. It's not perfect, but I mean it looks a lot better than when it came in. And then obviously this also got a coat of Geon can coat, so cleaning in the future will be a lot easier than it was before. is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much if you made it all the way to the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions of what you want to see me make videos of during lockdown, drop a comment down below. It's extremely difficult for me to come up with good content, so I'm trying my best to give you guys some content. And then, like I mentioned earlier, if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button to make sure that you get to see all the new videos coming out, and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified by YouTube whenever we post a new video, and then you know there's some new content out and you can go and watch it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Peace out and reflect your passion.